Linking a bank account on Movistar is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your payments and services efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Open the Movistar app. Download and install the Movistar app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the app's main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payment methods. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Account. Tap on this option to proceed to link your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to input this information accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account on Movistar. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Movistar customer support for assistance.